As a wool handler, we're required to have a broom as it's our main piece of equipment. When referring to the broom, this is the stick and this is what we call the paddle. You want your broom to be around about your eye level to your height. When we're holding the broom, we want our thumbs up to the sky, a nice relaxed grip on the broom. Our bottom hand is what gives us our reach and guides the broom, and our top hand is what turns the paddle. So when we're sweeping, we want our paddle to be upright and gliding across the board. We want to use the full length of our broom and a wide stance to send the broom out to do our work for us. That way we're not chasing our work or the broom. When we're sweeping, we need to be very mindful of the shearer's comb as it is expensive and can break easily. We want to sweep in front of and behind the handpiece, being sure not to come across the top of the comb. Hands-free techniques are used to improve efficiency when performing board duties. The first technique is to rest your broom on your shoulder. Another technique is to place the broom in your hip. Practice makes perfect.